Ito yung pinost ko nung nakaraan, no? Alternating current may be increase or decrease by means of letter A, motor, letter B, transformer, letter C, dynamo, letter D, megger. Ang sagot dito guys ay transformer. Ngayon, mayroong agaw pansin, tapos mayroong nag-message guys. Ang message niya hindi related dito. Ang message niya ay ito, itong number 4. Kasi ang tanong kasi dito sa number 4, which has the highest electrical resistance? Tapos ang letter A, brass, letter B, iron, letter C, water, letter D, paper. So ang answer dito ay paper. Mayroong nag-comment doon guys, ang sabi niya bakit hindi daw water? May possibility daw na ang water din is a highest electrical resistance. Para sa akin guys, ang sagot ko rin dati ay ito. Pero nung ni-research ko, paper pala ang sagot. Try natin ngayon i-research. Pero bago yan, basahin muna natin yung comment. Bali ito yung message niya, no? Yung number 4 daw. Number 4, which has the highest resistance? Ang number 4. So kung makikita natin dito, ang number 4, ito na siya, no? Which has the highest electrical resistance. Yun yung ano niya. Tapos sabi niya dito, which has the highest electrical resistance? Brass, A, B, iron, C, water. At bakit paper ang sagot? Yun ang sabi ng nag-comment. Ngayon sasagutin natin guys, bakit daw paper ang sagot, hindi daw water. So sagutin natin ngayon. Madali lang naman kasi i-research sa panahon ngayon. I-try natin i-research dito sa Google. Ito kasi yung tanong which has the highest electrical resistance? Brass, A, brass, B, iron, C, water, D, paper. Ang sagot niya guys sa Google ay paper. Ang explanation niya ay ito, has the highest electrical resistance among the given option because it has insulator. While metal has brass, iron are conductor, and water can conduct electricity due to impurities. Paper's molecular structure tightly bend in electrons, preventing them from flowing as an electric current. Tapos ngayon, kung makita natin dito, yung other option niya, kung makikita natin ang water, no? Kung makikita natin ang water, pure water is a poor conductor, sabi dito, but it still has significantly lower resistance. So ang water pala ay lower resistance, ang paper ang higher resistance, kung ating makikita. Copy paste natin to, tapos i-try natin sa ChatGPT. Ito kasing ChatGPT, isa din to na nagbibigay din ng sagot. Paste natin, tingnan natin kung anong sagot. Ang sagot niya paper pa rin guys Kung makikita natin, no, which has the highest electrical resistance? Correct answer is letter D, paper din. Dry paper is an insulator and has extremely high electrical resistance compared with brass, iron, and water, which conduct electricity when it contains impurities. Ang correct answer doon guys, yung sa tanong na which has the highest electrical resistance, brass, iron, C, water, D, paper ang correct answer, no. Sa ngayon kasi madali na lang mag-research kasi maraming apps na pwede mong i-apply. Pwede sa ChatGPT, pwede din sa Google. So, yun ang tamang sagot guys. Sana nagbibigay ito ng konting linaw sa iba.